Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It is a Hoover MAXLife Pro Pet Swivel Vacuum, an incredible vacuum. I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the indifferent about this fantastic vacuum. So let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. Now first off, for use, you step right here to kick it back, and driving is a breeze with left and right easy swivel. You can see how quickly and how easily this swivels. It is a canister vacuum, which means that you're not going to have to empty any bags, and it is going to pop off very easily for dumping. You can see I do have a white dog, and this thing is already full of dog hair. Nice filter, easy to empty, easy to load and unload. So let's go ahead and show you some of the features. Now, plenty long, it is corded vacuum. Power is easy on off. And it does have a light in the front. The brush roll button is right here, and if you want to switch to wand mode, you can pull out the wand accordingly and use the attachments that you need. So what are the advantages and disadvantages? This is one of the more powerful vacuums that I've had a chance to use. I compared it to my Dyson Ball, and the suction is very similar. It's a little more bulky than the Ball, but price-wise, it comes in at a much lower price point. It is a heavier vacuum. If you're looking for a very light vacuum, I would recommend going with something like a cordless vacuum that's much smaller. But if you're looking for pure power for your dollar, this is going to be one of the most impressive vacuums you can get, period. It's a fantastic vacuum. It does fold way down for getting underneath. You need to get underneath the chair. And the wand does stretch accordingly. There we go. Where you can get high up, get those cobwebs and things of the sort. So a tremendous vacuum does come with a ton of different attachments, pet hair, and all sorts of things. So you're going to want to pick one up today, available with Amazon Prime, free shipping, A to Z guarantee, a variety of colors, and an absolutely fantastic vacuum. Overall, I like it very much. Hoover is a trusted brand in vacuums, one of the original vacuums on the US market, and they continue to make great vacuums today. And if you look closely at how the brushes, the teeth are a little bit wide, that actually is great. It's a great design for pet hair, and if you're looking to pull up pet hair, there's none better. This is as good as you're gonna find on the market today, particularly at this price point. This is a tremendous pet vacuum, and you can see I vacuumed this floor, this rug, which didn't look very hairy. It pulls out a lot of dog hair from deep, deep depths of the house. I did the entire living room and the kitchen. So go ahead and order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. This is a fantastic vacuum. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.